No, this time there was no fucking. Yeah, well, I'm pretty sure it's the same person that did it the year before. Just started it on the other side of the fucking. I'm pretty sure it wasn't a resettlement that started this fucking fire. Pretty sure it's the same people that started it before. Forget that their fucking name. I was told it once before. That was 2 years ago. But it's that landlord, that landowner that owns that fucking property over there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.